Whoa! Shots coming in! Foot front! Whoa! I've got cover! I've got cover! Filter left! Filter left! Come back! Oh shit! Oh, nut shots! Ow, yeah, hit! Oh, oh, you, Sean! In the nuts! Medic! Greetings, operators and channel members, and welcome back to Stingray Airsoft. Back at WA today, guys, for a bit of a skirmish today, and we had an absolutely hilarious time utilising my brand new Kriss Vector from Adzzy's Armory. Absolutely incredible upgraded weapon, and I had so much fun using it. I have to say, this might just become my funny gun, because when I put the happy switch on, this thing makes me chuckle. Running today with the Jack and the Bean squad then, guys. We are teamed up today with Jack himself, Luke, Josh, Simon, and Malcolm, along with a few other guys that we meet up with over the rest of the day. Today's mission, guys, is a crate capture mission where there are multiple crates spread out through the map, and the enemy team has to find them while we have to protect them. And then halfway through the video, we'll flip the side so you can see the other side of us trying to capture them. Guys and girls, absolutely amazing day. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the rest of this video. I think they know we're here.
They're all just looking at tower. They're all looking at tower.
Oh, they're all looking at tower. For this game, we were tasked as the Decoy squad. While the other team would go and secure the barrels, we would go create chaos in other locations to confuse the enemy and make them think we were somewhere else. This backfired fairly quickly after we decided to get really close to the enemy as they would spawn in. We were within the limits, but we were very, very close, and we decided, yeah, we're going to get overrun very quickly, so let's do as much damage as we can and then likely have to respawn. Hit! Stand up if you're dead, guys. Stand up. Well done. Dead, dead, dead. Oh, they're actually doing it. Oh, well done, guys. A group of about 5 ran down that way, popped up, fun switch on. Dude, you're gonna love this. You were standing like the walls here, and you guys were like this with each other. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
You know,
yes!
I'm on your team, don't you?
Yes. There she was, just walking down the street, singing do-a-dee-dee-dee-dee-dum-dee-dee-doo.
I look good.
He looks good.
He looks fine.
She looked fine, and I nearly lost my mind before. Oh, I see blues. Yeah. Loads inside. Shots coming in. Shots coming in. So after our little sing-song was done and our original plan had completely backfired, we were now going to go and create chaos in as many places as we could possible. The first thing we wanted to do was make as much trouble at Sandbag Bunker, making the enemy team think it was of strategic importance to us. This actually went really, really well. Although it did take us quite a few attempts to actually completely control Sandbag Bunker, it went really well. Yeah, 2 up top, at least 1 more below. Suppress it! Got him! Green smoke! Push up! Yellows push up! Yellows push up! Hit!
Hit!
The problem is, the Vector on single fire is literally only use single fire if you're going to be really close to someone. Otherwise I drop to 2 rounds and then I make the slipstream with the other pellet. It go straight past. So good.
I see Wolfie kick around the corner like, what did you just do? Oh, sorry. I forgot to change. Oh my god, I love fucking 6.
Yeah, 3 round bursts will hurt. I can understand a 2 round burst maybe, but
well, you can play 2 round bursts off as just a quick trigger finger.
exactly. I usually if I can help it, I'll fire 1 shot.
Yeah.
But if I can't, then it's gonna be 2, at least. With the blue team now thinking that the sandbag bunker is one of our main priorities, we then decided to engage another squad down in the Darkwoods. We only thought there was going to be like 2 or 3 people down there. Turned out to be about 5 or 6 of them, and while Simon and Josh do get taken out here, I get left alone hiding in a bush and managed to wipe out the entire squad, which was extremely satisfying from my point of view. But it also meant that with the squad eliminated, we'd be able to push up later on to go and take sandbag bunker completely. There's one more. They're pushing really far right. Josh, they're really far right. Both of you are dead. Yep, well done, well played. You guys are terrifying. I could only hear voices. That was a firefight. Really shows what you can achieve with patience in this game. Hit! How long were you sitting there for? Well played.
He went, surrender, watching me. I went,
no. I'm concerned there's still this guy sitting here in the bush. He's the guy who got me. I'm still convinced there's one guy in the bushes down there.
yeah, we go to front. We can find out.
I'll say, do you guys, a couple of you guys want to go that way? We'll go this way. All right. Stay within range so we can keep talking to each other, yeah? So yeah, Salt, I'm on you. I'm with you, Josh. With you, Josh. With you, Josh. Dropping to 2 rounds. Watch the right side. Watch the right side.
Across. Yeah, I'll get him.
Guys, up top, up top. Up top tower.
Yeah, 2 tangos, top tower, 1 bomb tower.
Check.
Park with the key holders. Got 2 in the top of the tower. You got 1 at the bottom of the tower behind the oil drum.
I'm ready to run for it when you are, guys.
Okay, go, give him cover!
Ngoài đi không, mà lăn. Go.
No, clear. Up top, clear.
We smoke.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Okay, coming back a little bit for the smoke. Keep security.
Back in. I'm back in.
Sandbag secure, keep moving. Go on, sniper up, guys, careful. It's back down at the bottom. No, up top's dead, But it should be dead.
Right, let's start securing this position.
I need to come back, grab my gun as well. Come past.
Go up. Go get your gun. I've got.
Moving back.
Gun.
Back in.
Yeah. Right.
Yellow's in bunker! With the bunker now completely secure, team leader Malcolm decided to push up towards the ridgeline. The ridgeline gives us a very good vantage point should the enemy team capture any barrels and try and then bring them back up the hill. Unfortunately, it is approaching lunch, so a lot of our team decided they would go have a burger rather than finish the objective, so we were left to sort of fend for ourselves as we sort of got closer and closer to the enemy team and got into some hairy little combat. Keep pushing forward, guys, keep pushing forward. Okay, Josh, tap on me. Whoa! Shots coming in, front! Whoa! Right side! Guys, behind Kriss Cross! Close! Someone push that! Someone push it! Watch out! One left as well.
Go.
There's one left as well, be careful. Josh! Malcolm needs us back over left! Start filtering left! I've got cover! Filter left! Come back! Move! Filter left! Oh shit. Oh, nut shots! Ow, yeah, hit! Oh, sorry fella. F you, Sean! In the nuts!
It's okay. Medic, let's go.
Medic! Oh god.
Is that on camera, Lee?
Yeah, that's on camera. That's on one of them at least. Dead man walking.
Stop running off and just murdering him. That's so fun.
Yeah, that poor kid had no idea what was going to happen to him.
But in cross. I accidentally shot the guy.
After the whole team had their Jimbo burger, we were ready for the next half of the day. We had to now try and find the barrels ourselves and exfil them to the top of the hill. The last team managed to do it in 48 minutes. We would have to beat it if we had any chance of winning the day. I'm grouped up here with a 4-man team who've been at the site for a little while, and they are absolutely fantastic. Guys, massive shout out to you if you're watching this video. I really enjoy playing with you. So this is our attempt to try and push down towards the Wonky Watch where the objectives are being held. Rejoin. Check. Hit! Come.
Down.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, sorry. Camera's dead. Yeah, Rog. Should we start working our way down? Yeah, okay, alright. My last life. On me. Yellow. Okay. Lots of guys coming down the hill. Call it where?
Somewhere down the path.
Not seen, yeah. I think down by the cover, I believe. Eyes high. Get up quickly. Moving down the hill, front, moving down the hill. Colour.
Loads behind.
Yeah.
It's open. Magazine.
1 far, 2 behind barricade.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1 spray.
Good job.
Okay. Further down, let's push down.
I'm coming, Nemo.
I'm taking fire. Coming back. Yeah, yellow. Mag. There's one guy at least behind all the structures.
On the path, Dimo, Teo, praво напред.
Yeah, we should try. There's at least one guy behind the main structure. I think maybe push left and he push right. Yeah.
Left. This is shit, cover up.
You watch left, I'll watch, I've got front. Yeah, sorry, right, yeah. That shot came from the front, didn't it?
In the building structure.
Yeah. I don't know where that front shot came from. Oh, he's there. He's here in the bush in front of me. Move, fella. Guys and girls, that's all I have for you for this weekend's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all your views and subscriptions. I really do appreciate it, guys. It does mean the absolute world to me. I also really like when you guys come to say hello to me on the site. It's really fun to meet you guys and you know, talk about the videos and talk about Airsoft and also to play with or against you guys. It's been absolutely fantastic. Massive thank you again to the Worthing Airsoft team. Thank you to all the marshals who are on site. Thank you for the amazing games and thank you for providing us with this amazing site and all the memories that we are making here. It is so much fun, so thank you very much. Guys and girls, make sure you do subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed already and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. Ultimately, at the end of this game, guys, we did the whole mission in about 49 minutes, while the enemy team did it in 48, so only a minute between us. Oh well, we'll get them next time. Guys and girls, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Fucking A-class push, boys. Well done. That was fucking brilliant. I love that.
Good job.
Oh.